So what is the process? I want to do something about my teeth, Dr. Pearson. What's the process? The process, step one is to call the office, make an appointment for your free consultation. It all starts there. We can see what we're dealing with, the raw materials, you get your wishes, what your expectations are, what you'd like to have. We put some of the pieces of the puzzle together, give you some options. It all starts there. The treatment itself hinges, the success of that hinges largely on the planning. What to use, where to use it, what type of results are you looking for. It all starts there. We try to get most of that in a consultation appointment. From there, it's usually just simply a matter of placing implants. And I talk about the minis a lot because we're kind of geared towards that right now. But placing mini implants goes by quickly, painlessly, and can be accomplished in one appointment. And depending on whatever else that we're going to do, whether we're going to do a full denture, a roundhouse bridge, or whatever, then it varies how many appointments we would need. But again, it all starts with that free consultation. And once we know what we're dealing with, we can let you know how many appointments, how long the appointments are going to be. We can evaluate you for sedation if you should need it. Make your experience a pleasant one.